Hello everyone, my name is Nathania. My cell number is B1024201013, and now I will talk about the chapter 9 of Human Resource Management that will talk about performance management and appraisal. First of all, the reality nowadays shows many organizations do not focus enough on ethics when managing performance. Many companies do not have a comprehensive program that raises awareness of ethics, and some companies have developed no ethics policy whatsoever. Therefore, looking at this reality, HR professionals should be involved in the development of the standards. HR professionals need to create comprehensive programs that increase the motivation to take appropriate actions. In addition, reinforcement programs should be developed so that positive behaviors are rewarded and undesirable behaviors are punished. Performance management process starts by identifying the strategic goals an organization needs to accomplish to remain competitive and profitable. After these ideas are formed, managers identify how they and their employees can help support organizational objectives by successfully completing work. Performance management can also provide a unified approach to dealing with individual career development. An effective performance management system should do some things such as make clear what the organization expects. Second is provide performance information to employees. Third is identify areas of success and needed development. And the last is document performance for personal records. The components of performance management such as first, identifying performance expectations such as the goals, values, or both defining outcomes and behaviors. And the second is providing performance direction. And the third is encouraging employee participation. The fourth is assessing job performance. And the last is conducting performance appraisal. The components of performance-focused culture are clear expectations, goals, and deadlines, detailed appraisal of employee performance, clear feedback on performance, manager and employee training as needed, and the last is consequences for performance. There are three types of performance information such as first, trait-based information identifies the character trait of the employee such as attitude, initiative, creativity, teamwork, effective communication, and dispositions, and may or may not be job related. Traits tend to be ambiguous, and favoritism of raters can affect how traits are viewed, so that trait-based performance appraisals are too vague to use when making performance-based HR decisions. Also, fixating too much on characteristics such as potential can lead managers to ignore the important behaviors and outcomes that help organizations reach their objectives. And the second, behavior-based information focuses on specific behaviors that lead to job success. Behavioral information clearly specifies the behaviors management wants to see. This approach consists of customer satisfaction, verbal persuasion, timelines of response, and citizenship or ethics. And the third type is result-based information. Consider employee accomplishments. This approach works well for jobs in which measurement is easy and obvious. However, in this approach, that which is measured tends to be emphasized, which may leave out equally important but difficult to measure parts of work. Therefore, ethical or even legal issues may arise when only results are emphasized, and how the result was achieved is not considered. This approach consists of sales volume, cost reductions, units produced, and improved quality. On page 326, the HR perspective talks about why not choose both behaviors and results. According to Scott Cohen, even though results are extremely important, it is important for a business to focus on actions and employ behaviors that ensure sustainability from a long-range perspective. Companies should consider developing a performance management process that takes into consideration the many different employee behaviors that bring about a high level of organizational performance. Performance appraisals are used to assess an employee's performance and provide a platform for feedback about past, current, and future performance expectations. Performance appraisals are widely used for administering wages and salaries, giving performance feedback, and identifying individual employees' strengths and weaknesses. Performance appraisals can provide answers to a wide array of work-related questions, and by advancing a roadmap for success, poor performance can be improved. On page 331, the HR Online talk about using technology to enhance performance appraisals. Proper performance management requires considerable time, resources, and paperwork, so companies are using more technology to become more efficient in the HR management. Automated systems offered by vendors provide common formats, sample text, integration with compositions, and development and succession planning. These systems also can provide information on individuals, units, and the performance of entire companies. All of these features serve to enhance the effectiveness of a company's performance management process. Performance appraisals can be conducted by anyone familiar with the performance of individual employees. For example, first, supervisors rating their employees, second, employees rating their superiors, third, team members rating each other, fourth, employees rating themselves, fifth, outside sources rating employees, and the last is a variety of parties providing multi-source or 300 or 360-degree feedback. An effective performance management system should do some process, such as A. Make clear what the organization expects, B. Provide performance information to employees, C. Identify areas of success and needed development, and D. Document performance for personal records. Performance management starts with the development and understanding of organizational strategy, and then develops into a series of steps that involves identifying performance expectations, providing performance direction, encouraging employee participation, assessing job performance, and conducting the performance appraisal. Finally, that's all from me. Thank you.